I want to do the groundbreaking in the name of God the Father, God the Son, God.
Okurikirira hari Bishop w'ubureberezi bwa Kinkizi Right Reverend Dan Zoreka icyaye kiri kuza kwombekwa nicyo mutindo gwa higuru kandi kiza kushongera okutungura entaranta z'abeji hamwe n'abatura be cyangeki
Bateranira hamwe abantu bamukamo muri Kinkizi na Bwindi na Buhoma ahishomero ryitu University African University of Science and Management etandikire kandi aha twatuli okubasa kutongoza umurimo gwo kombeka ekishaha chemizano echo mulembe nitusima abahwezi patanazi beitu abalikora neitwe ku rugo munsiza hero abahire sente ezo kukora ekishaha eki
kunagira ngo emizano n'ekintu kikuru munonga kandi nabamwe nibihamwe entasya babasa kwebisaho kandi kirinda n'amagara gabo okuguma mu buteka
z'abantengabirano nyingi kandi ensi haterimwe abantu abine entasi akora biro omumizano emizano emipira okwiruka ebisasayizi mwenu nikija kuyamba abantu abana bato abamwe nibija kuba nibatunga entasi abamara ku developinga skills zabo zo kutera emipira zo kwiruka kandi abamwe nibazaguma nibija baganyirwemo okukora ebisasayizi kugira ngo bagume bali fit batarweire mwenu no mwanya gwo mutano ogurije kuba niguletera abantu benji okuyijaha okushemererwa no kutunga amani.
Umuyobozi wa mukuru w'itendekere rya Africa University of Science and Management Robert Kamugisha ntagira ngo cyaye kintu kiza kwera cyango yacyangeki ahabo kuba ntiza kose ubw'abantu bona kandi yasima ababashagikire mu kucombeka
ni cyango munonga kijya mutindo oguri standard kandi tishaye iza kozi bw'abana abakozi hamwe n'aba community ninga abantu abo mu cyaro so nse kuba yamba kugira amagara marungi ku bana bagira amagara marungi bana bakora size niberi n'ingwara z'impezi kuretwa abo kutakora size
abembezi abatari bamwe na bamwe bagira ngo cyaye iki n'ikintu ekitwire n'cyetengwa munongo mu cicwekeki
imaranga abwe cyahe kikana batubinene batwera kugira ngo cyahe kizeho African University of Science and Management kandi utwariza hamwe n'ubuyobozi bwone mwana n'umucyumenya kugira ngo kwega konka atari mu kuzana twikorora mwana
chance kuchira munonga itwabazani b'umupira kugira ngo nitwe ebitswire ntureba umugani mahanga umunijo myanya nitwe tunga kagisha kukubirebo mu cyanga kitu cya Bwindi kandi ecyaye kitubere twakikozeseho konka kitabonire nko kubarigezeho kukitamesete mu kibonere kandi omashomera gari hihi omurye cyaro mwenu nico turi kukozesa almost 20
opati n'umurimo gwo kombika cyaye ki yagira ngo tiza kwezaho sente za Uganda hezuru kwingana miliyoni rushanju kandi tiza kubakira umuhe bintu nyamwinji.
Approximately what we are going to do, it will cost us around 600 to 700 million, but still that is for the football pitch alone. But we are anticipating to do more. It's going to be the nice one. I think the whole of Kanungu, because we are planning there to put a pavilion.
Kids Paul hojwe chire bamwe ahabatire mu sente zo kombeka cyaye ki nagira ngo irehe by'emizano cyaye ki ntiza kongera ahakutungura byo burambuzi omucicwekeki.
Built the first lodge in the Bwindi Impenetrable Forest. We've been here ever since, and it's always been our great pleasure to support the community. The football field was a natural next step. This is going to be the location for many victories, a lot of community spirit, and as a company dedicated both to management, the guerrilla trekking, and growing tourism in the country.
Gasha kwa Jacob Nuwamanya, Kanungu, ahabwa Tayari West.